Jones. I'm the apprentice mechanic. I got into mechanics because I've always been interested in cars. Ever since I was probably about 11, I've been tinkering with cars, doing bits and bobs. I got my first car at 15, so I built all that up ready for when I was 17 and could pass my test. I got into vehicle mechanics because I just love them, love being hands-on. Having the opportunity to be working at Premier Group as the apprentice is a massive honour. They've been very good to me. When I was at sixth form, I did 1 year of sixth form. Didn't like it, didn't enjoy being sat behind a computer. It just wasn't for me. I wanted to be doing something hands-on. So I went and spoke to the school. School said, yeah, we can do this, do that. Obviously got through everything, put my name out, advertised online, did everything myself. School helped a little bit, didn't look in the right direction that I was actually looking for. All you need to do is go online, find people and just ask them, give them the school contact details and contact them. I personally contacted Premier Group myself. It just shows a bit more initiative to actually contact them yourself and then give them the school information. Opportunities that Premier give me, I get all the opportunities. Hopefully one day I'll be an MOT tester and maybe the manager of the mechanics. If I did want to change career in the path, I've got panel, paint, estimators, detailers, all at Premier themselves. A lot of people nowadays think, oh, I don't want to go into mechanics, or I don't want to be panel or paint, it's all dirty. I can tell you now, Premier Group and most of the garages around it now are really clean. It's unhygienic being dirty. As you can tell, my hands are very clean. That's the way we do it here. Most garages at the moment are still keeping that. They're always very clean, just because it's bad for your skin, bad for your health. I've chosen this course because that's what I wanted to do. When you leave school, it's a good opportunity, good experience to go and work in the real world. There's there's benefits. You get paid on the job, you get proper training on the job, you get real life training on the job, and you do a couple of days at college or on the job college that will just give you the paperwork over a 3-year period, and you go through just the theory side of the training. But after that, the 3 years, you can either go and do more programs that will put you in further into what you want to do, or they'll just let you go and be just where you are at the moment. There's always room and movement to progress in further life. I chose mechanics because that's what I love, but there's lots of apprenticeships out there that'll take anything. When I was looking, it took me probably about 8 to 9 months to find the proper one that I wanted and everything that I wanted. So taking your time to find what you want is probably the benefit of an apprentice. There's not a deadline where you need to meet to go to uni and you need to have everything done, ready to hand off. Obviously interviews and that, don't be scared, just be yourself. I was probably the first couple of interviews really scared, not being myself, and then once you start doing a couple, you're fine. I'd recommend 16, if you're at 16, 15, 16, see if you can get some part-time work, just a bit more experience on your CV. If you can't though, that's totally fine. There's a lot of people that will sit down with you, explain with you, like go through detail by detail of what you want to do. Benefits of being an apprentice, there's on-the-job learning. So you're experiencing a day-to-day basis where you need to be on work on time. There could be the possibility that you don't go home on time, that you have to wear the right uniform, the right protective gear, the fact that you're actually learning from a professional who does the job, and you're not just looking at it, you're actually hands-on. I know that I do my courses normally every 6 to 8 weeks. I go to college for 2 days, do the boring stuff, do the paperwork, do all the showing you what to do, but for the rest of the time we're hands-on. I'm being thrown into engine rebuilds, everything that I wanted to do since I was younger. So that's the benefits. There's a lot more than just you meet new people, you actually begin your life, you can start planning on what you want to do and not waiting. Hopefully in the future there's a lot of opportunity here. Hopefully I can expand my knowledge, help other people.